What's up everybody, Matt Maran here for another video from New York. This is the 2019 Kia K900, which made its debut here, and it's a really a nicely improved design. You know, it looks a lot more expensive, I think, than the previous K900, and especially in this silvery blue color, I think it looks really classy. So the standard engine you get now with the K900 is the same one as the Stinger GT, which is the 3.3 liter twin turbo V6. It has 365 horsepower, 376 pound-feet of torque, and it also uses that same 8-speed automatic transmission, which I can personally say is a really quick shifting automatic as well. But the exterior, you know, has some elements from other automakers for sure, you know, in their luxury vehicles, but I think it's also got a distinctive look all its own as well, to kind of set it apart from the rest, and just looks every bit of its, you know, roughly $60,000 price. I think that's what the last ones went for, although official pricing hasn't been announced here for the 2019 model. But yeah, nice they've added the all-wheel drive as well, since the previous one was only rear-wheel drive. Should help make the appeal much stronger. On the inside, that should definitely help with making the appeal stronger as well. It's got real wood trim, lots of metal buttons, and, you know, leather in a lot of the different areas all over the interior here. You can see a 12.3-inch infotainment display. I believe you can also get digital gauges that are 12.3 inches as well. But I mean, just really a high-quality, spacious interior. One cool thing is it has ambient lighting that has proximity sensors. So as you reach for a control, the ambient lighting in that area actually gets brighter, which is kind of a cool little thing that, you know, I don't think I've seen in other vehicles. Obviously a very spacious back seat, but this one was locked, so I wasn't able to actually get into that back seat to show you guys, but very spacious. Yeah, it's one of the trademarks here of this full-size Kia. But anyway, this has been going on sale towards the end of this year, so it should be, you know, a nice improvement in every way. But anyway, that is the 2019 Kia K900.